ഹലോ കേക്കുണ്ടോ? ഞങ്ങൾ പറയണ കേൾക്കുണ്ടോ?
This guy will come every day. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് തമ്മിൽ ഫാമിലി ഗ്രൂപ്പിൽ സംസാരിച്ചൂടെ? അയ്യോ battery. Okay, so today what we're going to do is we're going to react to some of my videos from past because I am self-obsessed and that's the only thing I care about myself. Are you guys ready?
Wow.
Yes, go for it.
Are you guys ready?
Yes.
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 Go for it.
Yes.
I started working some 2008, like film 2010, but in Mumbai I was doing some vlogging, hosting a program and VJ, yes, VJ, thank you. I've lost my mind a little bit, but it's okay. Before that, I did one ad. My first ad, the first time I faced camera. Are you guys ready to see it?
ബൂമറാങ് വരുന്നതിന് മുമ്പ് ബൂമറാങ് ചെയ്തല്ലേ?
It was like we could see your eardrums when they were showing the earring shot. Oh my god!
Yeah. And why are you flying in the sky? Like, what is that weird green screen of sky?
I have no idea. That was the first time me facing the camera. You can see the pleasant expressions I was giving.
How old were you?
മുദ്ര ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചല്ലോ അല്ലേ?
I was 18 or 19.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Tired I was doing that. So yeah, this was my cousin. She called me and she was like, "Hey, korchu perku endo ad shoot cheyanundu. Can you just be part of it?" And I was like, "Okay." And then I went to a beauty parlor to put on that makeup. And I did that video. I'm extremely proud of myself. I have no regrets.
Kudos.
We are extremely proud. And glad.
Sareem super. It doesn't get brighter than that.
What?
It doesn't get brighter than that. Super bright saree.
Thanks.
Yeah, it looks brighter than all of our futures combined.
So now, from there, I went to India Vision. Okay?
Wow.
And I did a show called where I gave love advice to people who didn't care and didn't ask, but I wanted to give them advice. So I'm gonna play that. I did it. No, this is a promo. This is not I'm giving advice about relationship. Bye. Look at the style. 90s style.
Why are you so late? Okay, I just forgot. We have to talk a lot, so you guys leave now. We'll see you soon. And I'll be back with a lot of fun, a lot of love. Till then, bye-bye and love you.
What is that?
Come here. Roll ചെയ്യണല്ലോ. ഇവനെ ഓടിച്ചതല്ല. നീ പോണല്ലോ. Jerry, okay. Anyway, you be with me, okay?
Nothing has changed from then.
Yeah.
Till now, there was no relationship advice, okay? Till now, I am like,
Anyway, this was me giving relationship advice. When
ഇതിൽ എവിടെയായിരുന്നു റിലേഷൻഷിപ്പ് അഡ്വൈസ് എവിടെയായിരുന്നു?
വെറുതെ ആൾക്കാരെ സോ ഈ രണ്ടിന്റെ നടുക്ക് എന്റെ റിലേഷൻഷിപ്പ് അഡ്വൈസ് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. But if you guys have any questions about relationship, you can ask me now because I feel like giving some advice, free advice right now. AJ, you're the class topper, da. You're the class topper.
Okay.
Yes.
നിങ്ങൾ എല്ലാരും ചോദിച്ചോളൂ. Please. So how important is food in a relationship?
Extremely
Food.
And you being a non-vegetarian and your partner being a vegetarian. Oh my God, going to each restaurant and ordering 2 separate dishes and wasting so much food for what? Just with another vegetarian or non-vegetarian. Like, why sacrifice your 7-course meal on this? What do you guys think? How important is food in a relationship? Extremely important. Absolutely. Any other question?
എത്ര വയസ്സുള്ളപ്പോ ചെയ്ത
എന്റെ വയസ്സ് എന്തിനാ എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇപ്പൊ എനിക്ക് 32 വയസ്സാണ്. ഇത് അതറിയാൻ വേണ്ടിട്ട് ആ കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിൽ
വിക്കിപീഡിയ സെർച്ച് ചെയ്താൽ പോരെ?
20 വയസ്സായിരിക്കും.
വിക്കിപീഡിയയിൽ കുറച്ചിട്ടേക്കാം.
വിക്കിപീഡിയയിൽ കുറച്ചിട്ടിരിക്കും.
എന്നും രാത്രി പോയി അർച്ചന തന്നെ പോയി എഴുതാം. ഓ, anyone can edit it, right? So
ഞാൻ തന്നെയാ ചെയ്യുന്നെങ്കിൽ അതിന്റെ ഫോട്ടോ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ? വിക്കിപീഡിയയുടെ ഫോട്ടോ ഞാൻ എന്നെ കൊത്താലോ ആ ഫോട്ടോ വെക്കോ വിക്കിപീഡിയ? What is this?
No, I just want to ask you this. Like, when do you know it's the right time when you can fart in front of your partner? Like, when do you know that?
Fart in front of the partner. Wow.
Yeah.
That's a very, very, I did. When is the right moment to fart?
intense.
I think on the 4th or 5th date.
Oh, you sure?
If you can't stand it, then you're not going to invest too much time and waste your energy. And if he can stand and if he's like if he's still alive and with you, then it's a true relationship. Like you can work on it. But don't wait for a month and all, okay? Don't do the chase game of a month of not farting. At least do this thing, okay? At least go to his bathroom and don't switch on any music or on the tap or anything. Just fart, okay? In that case, you're not farting in front of him, but the message is conveyed. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
And you're in a polite place, like where you have to fart, like you're not farting on his face. And after that, when you get out, if he's okay with it, that's it. That's the guy.
Farts are funny anywhere in any situation. Even if two criminals are talking, if one guy farts, it's funny. It's hilarious. A fart can never be unfunny.
You know, meet Denin. Denin, meet Nino.
Hi.
Are you
Matchmaking.
Are you guys both in Mumbai?
No, I'm in UAE right now, so.
Shit.
ഇല്ല ഇപ്പൊ പേടിയില്ല വാട്സ്ആപ്പ് ഉണ്ട് ഇന്റർനാഷണൽ കോൾ ഒക്കെ നമ്മളുടെ സമയത്ത് പേടിച്ചാൽ മതി വാട്സ്ആപ്പ് അലീന I think you're married if am I right? Are you married?
No, I'm not.
You're not?
No, I'm not.
Oh, okay.
Why did you say that?
Okay, I think.
Yeah, that's so mean. That's so mean.
That's so mean, yeah. Why did you say so?
The thing is, you have the grace of a married woman.
What?
Oh.
That's a cover up. That's a cover up. That's a cover up.
അതിന് പുറത്താക്കിയതല്ല എന്നെ അവിടുന്ന് രക്ഷപ്പെടുത്തി നീലത്താമരയിൽ കൊണ്ടുവന്നു because they were like, why should only television people suffer? We make the whole world suffer. Anyway, who should make the first move and when?
Are you asking me?
Yes, I'm asking you.
Yeah, it can be anyone.
And when? After the first meet, second meet, third meet?
Maybe after fourth
meet. Yeah, third vare ettiyarno. After fourth meet. If boys and girls, if you're listening, fourth meeting la aaru angote ingote choichittillengi, please you be the one to ask. Cool? So I'll show you another bloody love. Yeah, that's എടി അങ്ങനെ പറയില്ലടി ഞാൻ കുറെ മെഹനത്ത് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട് നോക്ക് സ്ലോ മോഷൻ ആ കണ്ണാടി കണ്ടോ യെസ് ഇന്ത്യ വിഷനിലായിരുന്നു കേട്ടോ
പാട്ട്
I used to think I'm wrong.
വെറുതെ കിടന്ന് ഓടണേ
I don't know. These are promos. This is more like me. That is what I do. And then,
കൈ കിട്ടാന്ന് പിടിച്ച് കിടക്കണം
oh God, you're so bad, dude. I think this is done. Oh no, it's not done. I'll just fast forward.
Salam namaste to all you people who are in love and also to people who aren't. Who cares? Today I'm gonna talk a lot of nonsense. You know why? Because and the ice cold, my head is aching, stomach il endokyo sambhavikkunnundu. You know why?
I don't know why I'm saying this.
Because I'm really scared. Right now I'm at Anish Upasna Photography. I'm here for a photo shoot and I'm really scared. Though I have faced camera a lot of time, but ee samayathu enki face cheyan pettunnilla. I'm really scared. I don't know what I'm.
Okay, I got it. You're scared. Move on, lady. I think this is enough.
Is that what life actually is? Is that why we are born to get
I
just
don't think we should
mother-brain
listen
and
to
just
that.
vomit it?
So that was me actually giving advice, but I'm not going to play the video because I myself can't watch it. I think I'll have nightmares today. ആരാ പോയെ? Just Deninde brother പോയല്ലോ. എല്ലാരും ഓടി രക്ഷപ്പെടുവാണോ?
Ayo.
He took
He's there. He's there.
Oh,
He's there.
what a
I can see.
problem.
He's there.
I can see.
He's there. Look,
Oh,
he's there.
he's here.
What was Asif Ali doing there? Like, was he
He
successful
was also VJ.
during
He
that?
was also VJ with me. So we
Oh.
both used to irritate people like a lot, but it was fun. First music video I did, okay? This is sung by Vineet Srinivasan.
Oh.
Yeah. And
This is that one which I asked.
I don't know. This step down, you like.
ആദ്യമായി ഞാൻ കണ്ട നാൾ എൻ സ്വപ്നമായി ഞാൻ കാത്തിടും വന്നു നീ ഒന്നു മിണ്ടുവാൻ പൊന്നി അറിയാതെ പോകുമാ ജീവനായൊരു സ്നേഹാമൃതം ജീവനായൊരു
I have already seen this. I think it's in my childhood. Now it looks so weird.
Yes. No, but it's nostalgic. Like, it reminded me of those old early 2000s albums, music albums. Everything was shot similar, like all looked similar.
Yes, yeah.
But yeah. This was not that bad.
Oh, so till now everything was bad according to you.
Yeah. The Sky video was like hilarious.
Okay, it was hard work. It was a lot of
Okay, yeah. I know.
The choreography was the most difficult part of our song. Okay, sorry.
I'm going to show you what happened after Neelataka. Okay, so basically, I'm talking about the first time I danced in film, and it was an amazing experience because it was in the middle of a lot of school, college kids, and it was it was a dance number in front of a lot of college kids, and the person who was dancing with me was Kunjako Govind, who is known for his dance. So, and I had a really, okay, I shouldn't say this, but I'm gonna say it. The master was the most horrible human being on the planet. I officially said it. Yeah. Yeah.
too good, huh?
Thanks.
Yeah, it was
I
amazing.
tried my best.
So basically, when you shoot a scene, they say camera rolling, blah 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 blah, action, and then you do the scene. But in dance sequence, they say 1, 2, and you have to start dancing. So they did 1, 2, and I waited for the action. The action should come, and it never did. And nobody told me that this is how songs are shot. So yeah, I had a lot of embarrassing moments during dancing sequences. And after that, I don't dance, and I don't believe that you should dance, and I don't think dance gives you joy. Okay, guys, with this amazing video shared, we are coming to the end of reaction videos. They are part of Pandharaparam House at Pandharaparambil House at 801. Yes. This web series is gonna come out soon, and yeah. Anything else that you guys want to say?
No, we love you. Please do watch.
Subscribe,
download,
Max,
and subscribe.
And you can subscribe to my channel and like this video also.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe.
Okay, bye.